Welcome back to KM Autos, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. From the sleek lines of upcoming concept cars to the roar of powerful engines in performance beasts, we bring you the latest and most exciting rides from across the globe. Say hello to the 2026 Haval M6, the compact SUV that is making big waves with its bold design, smart technology, and unbeatable value. Haval, a sub-brand of Great Wall Motors, has been steadily gaining ground in the international market, and the M6 has played a key role in that rise. With the 2026 model, Haval aims to solidify its presence by offering a refined, modern SUV that doesn't break the bank but still gives you everything you'd expect in a much higher-priced competitor. This is not just a facelift or a mild update. The 2026 Haval M6 represents a thoughtful redesign, improved efficiency, and a host of new features that elevate it far above its predecessor. Let's talk about the exterior. The new Haval M6 boasts a more aggressive and confident look. The front grille has been reimagined with a wider stance and a mesh design that gives the SUV a premium feel. Flanking the grille are sleek LED headlamps with integrated daytime running lights, adding to the M6 a dynamic and bold presence. The bumper design is muscular, and the sculpted hood lines create an aura of strength. Move along the sides and you'll notice refined character lines that run the length of the vehicle, paired with newly designed alloy wheels that give it a sporty edge. The rear has also been refreshed with modern LED taillights and a more aerodynamic silhouette, subtly enhancing its road presence while maintaining practicality. Step inside, and the interior welcomes you with a surprising level of quality and refinement for a vehicle in this price segment. The 2026 M6 now features a more minimalist and tech-forward cabin. A large floating infotainment screen dominates the dashboard, seamlessly integrated with a fully digital instrument cluster. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and features multifunction controls for ease of access. Soft touch materials are used generously across the dash and door panels, and attention to detail is evident throughout the cabin. From the brushed aluminum accents to the stitched finishes, it's clear that Haval has upped the game in interior quality. In terms of space, the M6 continues to be generous. There's ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a comfortable option for long family drives. The seats themselves are ergonomically designed and now come with improved cushioning and support. Rear passengers will appreciate the rear AC vents and multiple USB ports, which add to the overall convenience. The cargo space is also impressive, with a flat loading floor and foldable rear seats, making it a truly versatile vehicle for both daily errands and weekend adventures. When it comes to technology, the 2026 Haval M6 doesn't disappoint. The infotainment system now supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and the touchscreen is more responsive and intuitive than ever before. Voice commands have been refined, allowing you to control navigation, music, and climate settings without taking your hands off the wheel. A wireless charging pad has been added, along with ambient lighting that can be customized to suit your mood. The M6 also includes a 360-degree camera system, rear parking sensors, and adaptive cruise control, making it one of the safest options in its class. Under the hood, the 2026 M6 is powered by an updated 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that delivers a balanced blend of power and efficiency. Mated to a smooth 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the engine offers responsive acceleration and confident overtaking performance on highways. The tuning has been optimized for better fuel economy without compromising on the fun-to-drive factor. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the open road, the M6 remains composed, quiet, and surprisingly agile for an SUV of its size. Suspension tuning has also been refined, offering a more comfortable and stable ride even on rougher terrain. The steering is light but precise, making it easy to maneuver in tight urban spaces. For those seeking an extra touch of control, Haval has introduced selectable drive modes including Eco, Normal, and Sport, allowing drivers to tailor the experience based on their preferences. But perhaps the biggest win for the 2026 Haval M6 is its pricing strategy. Haval continues to offer a high-value proposition with this model, packing it with premium features, safety tech, and performance while keeping it accessible to a broader range of buyers. This makes the M6 not just an alternative to more expensive Japanese and Korean rivals, but a serious competitor that offers just as much, if not more, for a lower price. Speaking of safety, the 2026 model now comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. These include lane departure warning, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and traffic sign recognition. Combined with a sturdy chassis and multiple airbags, the M6 delivers peace of mind whether you're on a solo drive or have your entire family on board. In global markets, Haval has been rapidly expanding, and the M6 plays a crucial role in that success story. For buyers who want the latest in automotive innovation without spending a fortune, the 2026 M6 proves that you no longer need to compromise. It's stylish, smart, spacious, and safe, all while delivering excellent driving dynamics and efficiency. To wrap things up, the 2026 Haval M6 is more than just an update. It's a bold statement from Haval, showing the world that affordable doesn't mean basic. With striking looks, a tech-rich cabin, and thoughtful upgrades across the board, the M6 is poised to be a strong contender in the compact SUV market. If you're considering a new SUV that delivers beyond expectations, the Haval M6 deserves a spot at the top of your list. This is KM Autos, bringing you the future of mobility one drive at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's hottest vehicles. Until next time.